also speak about the politics around it. There's a shocking provocation by a Samajwadi Party Neta. Akhilesh Yadav's uncle has legitimized the violence. Ram Gopal saying that the Patthar to chalenge. That's a statement that he has made. He seems to be justifying the violence that broke out. When he was asked about the violence in Sambhal, just listen in to what he said.
सर संभल में आज सर्वे करने गई थी टीम, वहाँ पर पत्थरबाजी हुई
तो होगी पत्थरबाजी, पुलिस ऐसा कार्रवाई करेगी, लूटेगी अगर तो आगे चल के लोग क्या करेंगे, निराश हो।
सर संभल में आज सर्वे करने गई थी टीम, वहाँ पर पत्थरबाजी हुई
तो होगी पत्थरबाजी, पुलिस ऐसा कार्रवाई करेगी, लूटेगी अगर तो आगे चल के लोग क्या करेंगे, निराश हो।
So that was the statement that he made, saying, "Aur log kya kahenge and this karenge." This was when he was asked about the violence that broke out in Sambhal, and he said that this would be the reaction of the people. My colleague Pragya is joining us on the broadcast. Pragya, we have seen the kind of statements that have come in from some of the leaders, and this was a court-ordered survey that was being conducted in Sambhal. But the poisonous rhetoric around it continues. This one coming in from Ram Gopal, who says that what else can we expect when such things happen?
Well, you're absolutely right, and Samajwadi Party has been blaming BJP for law and order and especially the communal tensions, and this is exactly what was reflected, in fact, in the statement that Mr. Ram Gopal Yadav made. Said, you know, you can push people and people will push you back. This is exactly what he meant when he said पत्थर तो चलेंगे जब पुलिस ऐसा करेगी, अगर वो ऐसा करेगी तो लोग ऐसा ही उनको जवाब देंगे. This is his statement saying that, you know, I stand with people, and this is also the atrocity of the police. However, having said that, it was a court mandated survey for which the police had gone and the team had gone there, and it was police responsibility to maintain law and order. And in fact, when there was violence on both sides, the police had to take action, and this is exactly what in fact I would say that this actually aggravated the situation. But having said that, there are political reactions coming in, and there will be politics on this, because this has become a very serious issue in Uttar Pradesh. Just now, as the BJP was celebrating its by-poll victory, many of the opposition parties are attacking it, saying that this is not whatever the mandate has gone. It seems that there is no fairness in the conduction of polls, and this is exactly what they had raked up in this all-party meeting, saying that the role of ECI needs to be probed and taken into consideration. This is one of the demands of Samajwadi.
Stay with us.